So do you want to learn Spanish language through everyday and basic conversations for beginners? Then this video is for you. Hola y bienvenidos. Welcome to Spanish with Pallavi. Y buenas tardes, good evening. In today's video, we are going to learn basic Spanish phrases, some essential and useful sentences that we use in our everyday life. So let's dive into the basic conversation and basic phrases that we use in our everyday life in both English and Spanish. So how do we say some phrases from English to Spanish? So you'll be learning the pronunciation of some words and phrases whenever we talk to people, whenever we have conversations with people. It could be formal and informal. So in this video, there will be some scenarios also that in different places, in different situations, we have different kind of conversations with people, right? In office, we have different formal conversation with people, with our colleagues, and with our friends, we have different kind of conversations. So there will be different conversations which is based on the different scenarios and places that we visit and the situations that we go through in our daily life. I hope you can guess some words and phrases. Let's start. Conversation between two strangers. Let's start. Hi. Hola. How are you? ¿Cómo estás? My name is Lily. Me llamo Lily. Where are you from? ¿De dónde eres tú? I am from India. Yo soy de India. Where are you? ¿Dónde estás tú? How old are you? ¿Cuántos años tienes? I am 25 years old. Yo tengo 25 años. Do you speak English? ¿Hablas inglés? Yes, I speak English and Spanish. Sí, yo hablo inglés y español. Where do you live? ¿Dónde vives tú? I live in Spain. Yo vivo en España. Where do you work? ¿A qué te dedicas? I am a teacher. Soy una profesora. Do you have any pets? ¿Tienes mascotas? Yes, I have a dog. Sí, yo tengo un perro. What do you like to do? ¿Qué te gusta hacer? I like to travel. Me gusta viajar. What's your phone number? ¿Cuál es tu número de teléfono? My phone number is 012456. Mi número de teléfono es 0124556. Where are you going? ¿A dónde vas? I am going to a restaurant. Voy al restaurante. I am hungry. Tengo hambre. Okay. See you later. Vale. Hasta luego. Bye. Adios. Conversation in an office or working place. Hi. Good morning. Hola. Buenos días. How are you doing today? ¿Cómo estás hoy? I'm doing well. Estoy bien. Did you finish the report? ¿Terminaste el informe? Yes, I finished it yesterday. Sí, lo terminé ayer. Great. Can you send it to me, please? Genial. ¿Me lo puedes enviar, por favor? Sure. I will send you in a few minutes. Claro. Te lo envío en unos minutos. Do we have a meeting today? Tenemos una reunión hoy. Yes, the meeting is at 2 p.m. Sí, la reunión es a las 2 de la tarde. Do I need to prepare anything for the meeting? ¿Necesito preparar algo para la reunión? Yes, please bring the report. Sí, por favor, trae el informe. No problem, great. No hay problema, genial. Thank you. See you later. Gracias. Hasta luego. You're welcome. See you in the meeting. Nos vemos en la reunión. Conversation in the restaurant. Let's start. Hello, do you have a reservation? Hola, ¿tienes una reservación? Yes, I have a reservation for 2. Sí, tengo una reservación para 2. What's your name? ¿A nombre de quién? My name is Maria. Me llamo Maria. Right this way, please. Por aquí, por favor. Can I see the menu, please? Ver el menú, por favor. Here's the menu. Aquí está el menú. Would you like something to drink? ¿Te gustaría algo para beber? Yes, I'll have glass of water. Sí, gustaría un vaso de agua. Are you ready to order? ¿Están listos para pedir? Yes, I would like rice with beans. Sí, me gustaría el arroz con frijoles. And I'll have the pasta, please. Y yo tomaré la pasta, por favor. Would you like any appetizers? ¿Les gustaría algún aperitivo? No, thank you. No, gracias. How is the food? ¿Cómo está la comida? It's delicious. Está deliciosa. Can I get the check, please? ¿Me puede traer la cuenta, por favor? Of course, I'll bring that. Por supuesto, la traigo. Do you accept credit cards? ¿Aceptan tarjetas de crédito? Yes, we do. Sí, las aceptamos. Thank you very much. Muchas gracias. Bye, have a great day. Adios, que tengas un buen día. So these were the conversations in Spanish language that we use in our everyday life in the different kind of situations and different places. So keep learning Spanish, like and share this video and watch this full video, 30 Spanish phrases in 5 minutes on Spanish with Pallavi. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Adios, hasta pronto. Bye.